Welcome to the world of artificial intelligence, where the future is unfolding right before our eyes. This realm of limitless possibilities is no longer just a figment of science fiction. Today, AI is a reality, making its presence felt in every corner of our lives. It's revolutionizing healthcare, transforming transportation, and making homes smarter. It's a fascinating journey where the line between the physical and digital worlds is blurring. With each passing day, AI becomes more integrated into our routine, making life more efficient and connected. But with great power comes great responsibility. As we delve deeper into the world of artificial intelligence, we find ourselves facing a crucial juncture. The ethical considerations that accompany this rise are not to be overlooked. We're talking about transparency in how these systems are built and operate. We're talking about fairness in terms of who benefits from AI and who might be harmed. And of course, we're talking about privacy. Transparency, fairness, and privacy are at the forefront of AI development, ensuring it serves humanity positively. Looking ahead, the future of AI promises even more groundbreaking advancements. Imagine a world where quantum AI solves complex problems instantaneously, where neuromorphic computing mimics the human brain's functionality with uncanny accuracy. Picture AI playing a pivotal role in climate change solutions, analyzing vast data to predict, mitigate, and adapt to environmental challenges. These futuristic concepts may seem like science fiction today, but they are rapidly becoming our reality. Quantum AI, neuromorphic computing, and AI for climate solutions are just the tip of the iceberg. The journey ahead is about balancing technological advancement with ethical practices. As we continue to push the boundaries of what AI can do, it's crucial to remember that technology should serve us, not the other way around. This means ensuring that AI is developed and used in a way that respects our ethical norms and values. It's not just about what technology can do, but what it should do. It's about harnessing AI's potential while safeguarding our human values. As we stand at the brink of this AI revolution, one thing is clear. This journey is about more than just technology. It's about us. It's about enhancing our capabilities, addressing ethical challenges, and shaping a future where human intelligence and artificial intelligence work in unison. The future is not just about machines. It's about the synergy between human intelligence and artificial intelligence. Join us in exploring this incredible journey. Subscribe for more insights and updates on the future of AI.